Since 1992, PFS Nitrogen Services has delivered industry-leading pipe freezing services for precise hydrostatic test leak location and repair. Our advanced technology and expertise provide unparalleled precision, greatly reducing project timelines and costs compared to any other hydrotest leak locating technology. Pressure drop detected, indicating a leak. Freeze plug isolates test segment, enabling precise leak localization through systematic bisection. The search area is systematically narrowed through precise segmentation until the leak location is identified. The leak is precisely located and excavated for repair. Installing freeze plug isolations on both sides of the leak enables targeted repairs without dewatering or refilling the pipeline. The repair is complete, and an 8-hour hydrostatic test is successfully conducted. Pipe freezing technology, accurate, efficient, cost-effective, minimizing downtime and operational costs. For further details, visit www.pfsn2services.com to learn more about proactive pipeline integrity management, including leak location and isolation strategies to mitigate costly operational interruptions locating and repairing leaks during your next hydrostatic pressure test.